Nana, the issue about Bimbo Ademola, right?
Oh, yeah.
Warning Ghanaian television stations is a Omuni writer among Enya in the city, you know. I think I take it center stage for your creative industry anymore, and a lot of people are talking about it. And this is not the first time I will see Nigerian issue a warning or a threat to Ghanaians. It's our Munya movies in the year. Okay, 2023, somewhere September, an actress in Nigeria, Ruth Kadri. Okay, and also about 10 years, about warning Ghanaians, and they say, well, confirm sending the videos and the pictures, images, Ghana for yeah. They don't know what goes into production, the kind of money they put in near the other. Now I hear the production we are now what time they are about 2 TV stations. So now we all because of say together not in Nigeria. You understand? Now ne kwanso no. Yeah. And the ways are properly near Kwadwo Nkansah on so be same. But look, yen as Africans, oh narrow it down to Ghana, yen shut down for copywriting and running your day and your juma. Yeah, no yen shut down how superior or how big the copyright law or Ghana, but elsewhere. Nana untimi ko inside the yeah. Even Nigeria, I am made to believe the editing. So better will be content. Now why you say who use it? Now why would you pay the no editing? Yeah. But when you say Ghana, they are creating some relationship, some level of relationship. Be am I home? And you won't go phobia on Becase, Assembly Audi Kokoti, NT radio station, the bedroom baby, what to do at Yakoni, young brother, sister, some yes. The Ghana had the Anyashi and Yashi in the Kuya, Tinania, a Rexoma Tam, a big company like Joy Daddy and the Coco so 1 billion. Every winche and no serious so man who come on and yasam ketwa. You feel that we are two hospital. There's this brotherly love, sisterly love in tea. Asembisia. No be bedin some phone. No one say penibia to tune to made in the Chaco police station. No, because Ramanu Pachomina no. Whatever. Munyama Samnenka. Near Jamanasa come off as in a penipa. I will come out and say them Raya Jumano. Now Penino a jasa did Nana and Wofas Chaco Pacho. Meanwhile, there none of criminality. I am ready as Adian. Now, what am I saying? I am not saying. Except me a radio personality, me a TV personality. I should talk on behalf of our TV people, radio people. No, it is wrong. Yeah, it is wrong. So better will be a dear on what in the sweat. Do you know what goes into production? Move your way, unisika omdishem. Unisika omditia actors, actresses, extras near the. Do you know how much money that go into that? To the bina who producers and producers are musika shemu ina na sika no who mo abontikro orebeho me Paul G oi it got to a time of Paul G betisika ko Nigeria akofa osita oheme and the free Nigeria patients also do you know how much money they paid during that time? Yeah, unisika kom. And what did the Sikabes are doing in know? Now, what time as a TV station, Poji, Minipa, TV station, and go baby, and Goshe, and Pass, TV station, and go baby, because we have created brotherly and sisterly love. The Pacho, a Juma, your sister love, and Kawo. Uko Bronikroma, for sisterly love, the brother love the Edgema. And the Hamikran say, Obu free country, Obuko Obi Manswa, or the Mradi Edgema. Ultimate free Ghana and come with say Italy and come with say USA and go Germany and go tabo be content can free one Magana. They know it. They know it. It will be to say Kwadwo Nkansah when you know quite also sorry. So social media go for some omuka. I watch a TV show, a whole TV show. Now presenters, ne panel members to akasi Kwadwo Nkansah yenhwehwe animu we oba wante be ka ye den and TV station one aso so omo na play mu videos na hey
omo na make mu popular ha ndi ene no hu say bia BBC we be dey para Kofi atesa
no ye ntimi
ne manase
gamro ye nya Kwadwo ntumu nya be yes ade the champion that course Kwadwo ntumu person kwa dey see radio stations ye ka job say ba so ntimi bo bi nyom nya e de enimity ye den e ba e tan kese obi obesore so yes ade bia no o tan be ko so
kai say Mr Music Man Nkansah fedu we bi na so
na babu kurabu so we are just be that ube champion that course boa masa nu bia because Ghana hano yes a relationship near the Ghana how ya country yes say the most hospitality country in West Africa me can say in Africa kran Ghana Ghana hano obi anwan in the duane one ne ma ene yi ba bedi hoho ba no agya ne ma ne de ama hoho na di Ghana hanko na sisi ade no.
And the banner you tighty and so son inside school where they met in
you see Ghana got us identity because we are a hospitality nation. Sanse muni some funa ni edi no an go for a sweat sika go for and then munka producer ba ko ai na you say oh scapa besi de munka jeme Matilda asari kuru na your friend is a ni kuru na oni ni jai
something Tyson, right?
Can't catch him, producer.
Peace and love.
Peace and love.
Yeah. Peace and love. Mr. Tyson, be able to
you see?
Me tell you, catch it.
Go to say, Omabra won't say, a queer Omabra Tibakanche. Omudu Omusika invest hugely. I was in him and then go for Nedi Duho and OBA TV station. No one in Ghana, senior, yes, TV station here. Most of them they don't buy.
Yeah.
Omuin is a no, we the entertaining or viewers.
Or tampen down now,
no, they are to the TV stations, no. So, because you're enemy.
Yeah.
Now, enemy, no, but you want for the sick go easy now. Can we say you can go to TV stations? What, I told the beer, yes, sitting can't shut down for say. Yes, away, mean your Okoka is all your town for. And they say, you wouldn't act to be no above for. Na onisika asibe ka tse ko jini odisika nyina na ko for the assess but the mansam odi yesi o fa nya japade edru mra bia na eja ko sifie odi fie ba ko to ko fosi oh what yesi nia from ko manyo of perspective na fe na odi fie kire you see Ghana mobo yeah, more papa as a country, as a people. Yeah, more papa. Say yes, yeah, from Manya Jumadia, see and this fight doesn't rest on the bosom of Kwadwo Nkansah alone. I was say producers they have to rise up. Omun championing the cause together. Actors, actresses, they need to rise up. And you know Kofi no muji free politicians when they also hear.
Yeah.
And yes, you can politicians. This is the right time. Also, sorry, Kassam running for your Juma. No, Mudiaka Crano. Hey, yes, Obi Quacotin royalty or 20 city. Obi Quatin Royal Bonum free take. We see that Shatawali have 200 cities.
Shapiro Rebecca said, Muncha tax was a day.
I know a corner. I know a corner. You see? You see? And Kashatawale hosts according to you, bread royalty, a bread 500 cities, a 2,000 Ghana cities. Where is Ga? Everybody, and then I just call the money, a present, your achievement to be the amano, or born you know. And I say, I guess your cast, why am yes, a time also. I am a yapa.
But Majlis and Command because we
oh yes,
for it now.
Oh yes.